Hello folks, I'm just going to do a quick piece about the first set of chisels I bought and what I thought was wrong with them, and maybe what would be a good set of chisels if you are thinking of starting wood turning. So here's my set. The first set I bought, as you can see, are these brown handled ones hanging all together as a group, and they were a quite interesting set. So I got a roughing gouge, spindle roughing gouge, and a slightly smaller spindle roughing gouge. I got a skew chisel and a slightly smaller skew chisel. I got a diamond parting tool, and I got a conventional parting tool, and I got a round nose scraper, and I got a nice little spindle gouge. A slightly odd collection, I think you'll agree. I don't know why there were so many duplicates in it, and obviously I didn't know anything when I bought them, so all these extra tools didn't really add to the pack. They didn't cost me a fortune and they got me started, so I don't resent it, but anyway, this is what I'd recommend if you're starting out. From the original set, I think there's only 3 tools I really wanted. That's the parting tool, the round nose scraper, because there's no other way of reaching inside curves other than a round nose, and the skew chisel. Large or small, bit of a debate, but I quite like the large one. From there, I would suggest also that maybe a couple of carbide tools might be a good idea. So, maybe a round nose and square-ended scraper. These two I made myself. There are videos on how to do it for yourself, and you could use these tools to make these tools, or at least the handles anyway. Shafts and stuff are cheap enough bought, and the cutters are easily available on eBay, and I have a video on it, as I said. And the last thing maybe, well, if you want to do spindle work, maybe you need to add the spindle gouge, and if you want to do bowl work, I think a bowl roughing gouge would be a good idea. So, that would be my startup set. Starting with the 3 that I had, maybe making myself more of the others. You can even turn handles for these. You can just get them with the shafts on bowl gouges, and so that's worth a thought. Definitely my set of tools I would pick to get started with. Covers a bit of everything and gets you going. And then before you know it, you'll be up to 20 of the damn things. But hey ho, that's the joys of wood turning. See you in the next video.